In this video, I'm going to show you how to use best friend poses on Snapchat. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Snapchat application. From here, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the upper left corner of the screen. So now from here, just simply tap here to create a bio for my AI, which has the gold border. So basically, this is the Snapchat Plus. So this is a premium feature for Snapchat users. So from here, you can use this best friend poses feature. In my case, I haven't availed this feature, but if you have availed this feature, you can use the best friend poses. So as you can see, when we tap here in best friend, you can select who is your best friends from your friends. And to use the best friend poses, you can simply post your Bitmoji and your best friend's Bitmoji and share them to other friends. So that's basically how the best friend poses work. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.